Hello everyone, you have to make a ponytail tied using the rubber bands. Now take all the hairs and divide it from the between from the top and fix the hairs after rotating it. Now tie the hairs, pull out the hairs from the top and the sides little bit as shown in the video. Fix it. Now tie all the hairs on the sides, tie it from the ends and the bottom like this. Fold it upward and fix it like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides in it as well as we are doing here. Now fix it using the bun pins or the hairpins to fix it on the right side like this. Put some designer hairpins too and it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix it. Now keep repeating the process for a few more times. Now at the end, we will tie all the hairs as shown in the video. Divide it from the between and then fold it upward and fix it like this, rotating it. Now fold it and then fix it around the rubber band on the top and tie it by rolling rest of the hairs. Fix it like this on the top, put the rubber band, put the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will tie the hairs, divide it and then divide them into two parts. Now on the one section, we will make the plaits by dividing the hairs like this. Make the plaits on this side and follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. You have to make the plaits tightly like this. Now we have to fold it upward if you want and fix it. Pull out the hairs a little bit and make it look fluffy like this. Fix it from the sides. Now fold it upward. Otherwise, you can fix it like this just and then fold it upward like this by folding it and put the hairpins to fix it. Follow the same step for the other side. Roll it upward and just fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make a ponytail like this and then divide it into two parts. After dividing the hairs, we will again divide the hairs into small sections. Now we will make the plaits out of it. So roll the hairs carefully. Roll it one by one carefully as we are joining. Take the hairs from the sides in the small sections and make the plaited hairs like this till the end. Fix it and then we will fold it upward or just leave it aside like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fold it like this by dividing the hairs into small sections. Roll it upward and then fix it like this. Fix the hairs on the sides and then pull it out like this from the hairs. Tie it like this and then we will take all the hairs and make the plaits on it. Tie the hairs and then fix it till the end. Tie it using the rubber bands at the end like this and then fold it upward and fix it using the hairpins like this. Tie it and your hairstyle will be ready. Don't forget to put the hairpins like this on the designer side and it's done. Thanks for watching.